Hello everyone, Sat Keval Sahib. I, Prashant Chauhan. Today I am going to continue chapter 2 of Final Accounts of Partnership Firm, that is Elements of Accountancy, Standard 12 Commerce. Topics, that is illustration will be covered under this presentation is number 2. It is quite different than the first one. Let's see that illustration. Here it is. The following is a trial balance as at 31st March 2017 of Jay and Vijay. Prepare a revised trading account, profit and loss account, current accounts and balance sheet with consideration of necessary adjustments. So here the information is given to you which things are there required, right, for the number 2 number illustration. See, information is given to you that prepare a revised trading account. That means that something is wrong. That's why revised trading account is there, and there will be a trading account. Also profit and loss account, current and balance sheet. So there is no need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Let's start with the trial balance of partnership firm of Jay and Vijay as on 31st March 2017. Here the capital accounts are given. Jay and Vijay credit balance. Current accounts are given first time. Jay that is credit balance. Vijay that is debit balance. Closing stock 27,300 as per the discussion in the 11th standard theory. You know that one. If the closing stock is given in trial balance, only one entry is there and it will be directly there in the balance sheet. We have trading account. See it, here it is 30,900. That means this 30,900 is our gross profit. So there is no need to find out the gross profit, but information is given to you revised trading account. So that means something is wrong, some adjustment will be there. Cash on hand 280. Current assets, right? Current account with bank, current assets. Fixed deposit with bank, current asset, right? You can taking as current asset all these things, right, as the investments and other non-tangible assets under that. Next one, that is debtors, current assets, salary, profit and loss debit side, freehold land asset, machines, that is office 20,000 asset, furniture and fixtures asset, factory on lease asset. But see here lease will be ended on 31st March 2021. That means hidden adjustment is there. You have to prepare the return of amount, that is 30,000. So we will discuss when we give the entry in the adjustment. Loan of partner Vijay, right, on 1st of October 2016 as per our discussion in the chapter 1st regarding if the loan is given by the partner, right, then there will be a particular 6% interest is there, right. So we have to calculate that interest for 6 months. Here it is a hidden adjustment. 2 hidden adjustments are there. Discount reserves on debtors, the new adjustment, right. So it will be deducted through the particular debtors out of debtors. But if the adjustments are there, and though adjustment is not there directly in the credit side, BDR, right, looking after the adjustment. If adjustment is not there, then directly in the profit and loss. Insurance premium, profit and loss debit side. Printing and stationery, profit and loss debit side. Creditors, that is suppliers, our liability. Bad debts, profit and loss debit side, depend upon the adjustments. Advertisement expense, profit and loss debit side. And last one, traveling expenses, debit side, profit and loss. So ended with the same amount. Let's move to the adjustments. Here are the adjustments. There are first one, prepaid insurance rupees 200. So we have to take as asset, right. Let's start with the direct adjustments, right, as per our pattern. Prepaid insurance, starting with the profit and loss account, right. We are following the adjustment first, that's why, right. So we have to write down the insurance. Here it is. Yes, 2 insurance premium, it was 1000, right, in the trial balance. Minus prepaid is there, that means we have to deduct that 200. 800 will be remain amount outside of the column that prepared. So it is our asset. So moving to a direct balance sheet, here prepaid insurance premium 200, that is our asset. Next adjustment number 2, that is Jai withdrawn goods of rupees 2000 from business for his personal use. Whenever the withdrawal is done, if the profit and loss adjustment is profit and loss appropriation account is there and drawing is there, we have to put there. And if its information is not given to you, directly in the current account. Yes, here it is. C, to drawing account 2000, right. Another entry, if it is there, then directly through the our balance sheet, right, deducted from the our information is not given to you, so we will not take as the our amount in the balance sheet, right. So that is the only entry here. Next one, next adjustment. Yes, here it is. One another entry, that means it is goods, so we have to deduct from the trading account. So trading account is there, revised trading account here, minus drawing account, drawings of the goods 2000. Later on I will tell you why it is deducted and the information is there. Third one, goods of rupees 4000 purchased on credit, right, on 28th of the March 2017. That means before the ending of the year, which is not recorded in the books. So goods purchased, right, on credit, not recorded, that means it is our liability. So first of all, trading account, here we have to give the entry, yes, here 2 unrecorded purchase. If purchase is there, we are recording in the debit side of the trading account. So 4000 minus drawing, because as per the rules we are deducting the other than sales which where goods goes out, so deduct your total amount 2000. Next adjustment, another entry of this 4000 will be under the creditors, right? Quite different because you have to face this problem. This one is the system. See here, a creditor 12,000 plus unrecorded purchase 4,000, that is 16,000. Because we are following only adjustment at present, it is very important. Return off, that is write off rupees 400 at bad debts and provide 5% bad debt reserve. So for this, first of all, we have to record the debtors. So let's see the debtors here. All the things we will look after this one. First one, debtors are 18,400, right here. Bad debts old here 200, BDR old here, right? You have to find out the BDR new. So first of all, debtors. Let's see, debtors are on the, yes, balance sheet. Debtors, right? 18,400. Bad debts adjustment 400. I told you, minus 400, that is 18,000. BDR, that is 5%. So 18,000 into 5%, so 5 by 100. So that is 900. Here it is 900. So that is 17,100. These two entries will be there on the profit and loss account debit side, right? Here see the sequence, bad debt new, before that bad debts from trial balance 200, right, plus bad debts new, we find out on the basis adjustment, right, 600 plus 900, we find out 5%, total amount 15,000 minus BDR given to you, that is the old. So total amount of the bad debt family, that is 500. That is the total bad debt family, right? Bad debts, bad debt new, old, right, new, BDR minus, so that is 500 rupees. So that is the end of this debtors and bad debts. Last one, sorry, one more is there. After that, there is no need of discount return on debtors. So there is no need to deduct this amount from the debtors. So directly that amount, PDR amount, sorry, discount on debtors amount, see here it is. Yes, discount returns on debtors. So we have to taken this amount as our income. So it is on the profit and loss account, credit side. It is there, yes, it is there. Discount reserves on debtors. If there is a need of this one, we have to deduct this amount, right, as per the calculation here, and the rest amount will be outside of the column, but no need to, it is our income, it will become our income. Next and last one, provide 20% depreciation on plant and machines and 5% on furniture and fittings. So first of all, 20% on plant and machine. So where are the plant and machine? Here, machinery, right, so that is 20,000. So on 20,000, right, total percentages of depreciation, that is 20. So 20 by 100, 4,000 rupees, right? So profit and loss account, debit side, depreciation here, yes, it is depreciation, right? So machines, office 4,000. Another depreciation, that is the of 5%, 5% of furniture and fittings. Our furniture and fittings are 5,000. So 5,000 into 5%, so 5 by 100, 250 rupees. That will be on the debit side of profit and loss account. Here it is, yes, 250 rupees. So that is 4,250. Both the entries will be deducted in the our balance sheet, right? See the balance sheet. Here it is the first of all, freehold, no any type of the depreciation on that one. Directly 6,000 SAB. Land don't have any type of the depreciation. Machines 20,000, deducted 4,000, 16,000. Furniture minus 250, 4,750. Okay, next one, that is leasehold factory 30,000. I told you the hidden adjustment. See, leasehold 30,000. So 30,000 is there, right? And that 30,000, this amount, that lease, that means on lease for the some years up to the will ended on 31st March 2021. So our year was started on 1st April 2016 and completed on 31st March 21, this particular activity. So it is for 5 years. So what will we do? We will divide 30,000 with 5, 6,000 exercise passing. So this leasehold in building is for 5 years. So 6,000 will be on the debit side of the trading account, right? Not profit and loss account. Why? Because this particular is specifically for the leasehold property for the our factory, right? That's why it is given in the trial balance. That's why 6,000, and this amount will be there on the balance sheet. Here 30,000 minus return of 6,000, that is 24,000. Done. So that is the adjustments. Now all the adjustment which is given, it is completed, but one important adjustment is remain, that is here, loan of partner Vijay, that is 30,000. So first of all it will be there on the balance sheet, liability. Here it is, Vijay's loan 30,000, and outstanding interest on Vijay's loan. See, no information is given, it's a hidden adjustment. So 30,000 into 6%, right? 30,000 into 6%, so 6 by 12, that is 1800, but it is for 6 months. See, it is on 1st of October. Loan was taken from Vijay 1st of October, so for 6 months. So multiply by 6 by 12, easy, it is 900. So it is here, and another entry of that one on the profit and loss account, debit side. Here, into interest on Vijay's loan. So here exactly our adjustment are completed. Here, see, as per my knowledge, only 8 to 10 minutes are there for the adjustment. Now you have to give the entries within the another 10 or 15 minutes, because in examination not more than 20 minutes are required for this sum. It is very important that you have to keep in mind the time that when you are going to start this example, not more than 20 minutes. Okay, now entries of the others. Capital account, direct in capital account we prepare the current account, no capital accounts are there, so directly we are giving these entries in the balance sheet. Capital accounts are not there, so you can say that's the method. So capital account, here both are directly 1,40,000, 80, 60. Entries of the current account. So let's see entries of the current account. What is the amount? Yes, 20,000, that is credit, 5,000, that is the debit. So here we prepare the current account, right? See the current account. Yes, buy balance brought down, credit balance of Vijay 20,000, debit balance of Vijay 5,000, right? All the other entries are given. See, these drawings are given, right? Now we will prepare the another information, or we will start the another information. Okay, then after closing stock, directly in the balance sheet 27,300, because only one entry is there, that's why balance sheet under the current assets. Yes, here it is. See, closing stock 27,300. After that one, I think yes, trading account 30,900, that is credit balance, so it is our profit, right? So let's see, it's a very important for this particular illustration. This is the important thing. See, buy trading account as per trial balance, the spelling is wrong, it's a trail, but it's a trial balance, right? That is gross profit 30,900, 30,900. We are preparing the revised trading account of partnership from Jay and Vijay, because information is given to you, and some of the adjustment which were not recorded, these two adjustment. Purchase was not recorded, drawing was not recorded, we record that one, and release property. So total amount on the debit side, that is 30,900, that is the credit entry, sorry, 30,900 minus 2,000 minus 6,000, the remaining amount is 22,900. So here the gross profit is revised, that is from 30,900 to 22,900. See, so it will be transferred to profit and loss account, credit side. Here by trading account, revised gross profit 22,900, actual profit was 30,900, but some of the adjustment were remain, right? That means by missed one, but we deduct that amount and we take that amount of that the particular adjustments. Okay, now the credit side is clear. Some of the entries are remain. Let's look after that one. Cash on hand already discussed. Current account, fixed, all these three will be there on the asset side. Debtors are there. Let's see, we already gave the entry of debtors, but three other entries are remain. So let's see that entries. See the entry of closing stock, then after cash on hand 280, cash current account and fixed deposit and debtors entry are already given. Also prepaid insurance premium, I gave the entry of that one. Just revise that one yourself by looking after twice this illustration. Okay, salary, profit and loss account, debit side, no adjustments are there I think on that one. So directly on the debit side salary is there. Here it is, right? Insurance premium completed, bad debts, all the entries given. See the entries of printing and stationery, traveling expense and advertisement directly, no any adjustments are there. Done. So directly give the entries. Depreciation is taken and interest. So here the entries of the profit and loss are already taken. I think no remain entries are there. See, discount on reserves taken, BDR taken, insurance, printing, creditors are given, bad debts, advertisement, traveling. That's all from the trial balance, right? So now move to the our profit and loss account. Okay, the total of the credit side, let's see, it's a higher or lower, means which is the higher side, credit side or debit side? I think the debit side is more than a credit side, right? It looks like 18,000 for the 22,000. It is so here debit side total, so 18,500, 800, 500, 600, 400, 600, 4250 and 900. So debit side total is 26,550. Deduct minus the amount of the credit side, minus 22,900 minus 380, right? That is the amount of the discount of debtors. That's all, 3,270. That is the loss. So here the amount, that is the debit side total, is more than the credit side. So here we will deduct that amount from the debit to credit, and we already get the 3,270. No profit and loss sharing is given, so we have to take as equal proportion, that is 1:1. So divided by 2 direct. So 1,635, 1,635. Partners current account, that is divisible lot. See here there is no profit or no loss, there is net profit or net loss is thought. That means net loss is not there. Why? Because we are not preparing profit and loss appropriation account, and in theory of the chapter first I already told you the profit and loss account, appropriation account, is not compulsory. It is the particular point that already discussed in our chapter. It is not compulsory, right? In the final account when you are preparing that one, okay, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared after preparation of profit and loss account, but it is not compulsory. A separate preparation is not necessary. If the information, and simple thing I want to tell you, if the interest on partners capital account, if the interest on drawing account, salary, commission, bonus, remuneration is there in the example, then and then you have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Otherwise there is no need. But if one information is there, you have to prepare that one. Okay, keep in mind. And sometimes in only one information is there, you are taking as the profit and loss account. Not to worry. Okay, so here current account, divisible loss we find out, so it will directly transfer to profit and loss account to partners current account debit side. See here, to PLN account divisible loss 1635, 1635. That's all. Now debit and credit balance of the partners current account. Let's see which side. First of all, J 3,625. No, credit side is more of J, right? Because 20,000 is there. Credit side minus 2,000 minus 1,635. Amount of the J, that is here. Credit side is more than, that is 20,000 here. So here 20,000 will deduct from 20,000. This 3,635 will get this amount. Right? This amount will get 16,365. That is the balance carry forward. It is called credit balance. The credit balance are always on the partners current account. Credit balance is that it is always on the balance sheet. Here there is liability. See, 16,365. Now the balance of the VJ 6635. No, yes, 6635 is 35, and here 5,000 and loss is there. Okay? So the amount is come, that is 5,000 plus 1,000. Yes, so debit balance is more than the credit balance. So that's the asset. See, this 5,000 plus 1,625. So debit there is more than credit. So that is the current account. So current account, if the partner's current account debit side is more than credit side, is known as the asset. So it is asset side. See here. Yes, it is here. So that's all from the particular adjustments and other things, right? Usually is if any adjustment are remain. No adjustment are remain. Every adjustments are taken. Here all the entries are taken. Yes. No entries are remain. Yes. Okay, let's complete the particular balance sheet. Let's start. 1,40,000. I'm talking about the capital and liabilities. Then after 16,365 plus 30,000 plus 16,000 plus 900. What happened? Sorry, 1,40,000 plus 16,000 365 plus 30,000 plus 16,000 plus 900. So that is 2,03,265. It should be there on the liability or asset side also. So 60,000, that is the freehold building, that is directly taken, no adjustment were there. 16,000 with adjustment, 4,750 with adjustment, 24,000, right, it is with adjustment. Then after 27,300, 280, 7,000, 40,000, that is the fixed deposit. Then the 17,100 the debtors, 200 rupees, that is the prepaid insurance, and 6,635, that is the current. So 46,000, right, and one maybe I think entries remain, right, that is the entry of the amount of 16. I think one entry is remain. Fixed deposit is there. Let's start with the 1 second because there is mistake, I think so. 60,000, 16,000, 4,750, 24,000, right, 27,000, 280, 7,000, 40,000. Yes, I think it was mistake. So 17,000. Yes, 200, and lastly that is 6,000. Okay, so it was the mistake on the calculation. So that is the same side, both the sides are same. 2,03,265, 2,03,265. So that's the end of the balance sheet, right? That's all from my side. This sum is important because here only one thing is important, that revised trading account, no specialties are there, and profit and loss appropriation account was not there. That's all from my side. Thank you.